Hello, fellow travelers.
Welcome to another episode of our travel tips, powered by Travul.org.
Whether you're packing for a quick weekend getaway or international adventures, we've got the ultimate tips to make you travel lighter, smarter, and stress-free.
First, pack lightweight layers.
2. Save scans of your passports, visa, hotel booking, and travel insurance in a secure cloud folder.
3rd, adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your trip to match your destination time zone.
4. Check visa rules, entry requirements, and travel advisories at least a week before your travel.
Next, respect local customs.
Keep noise to a minimum in a shared spaces and always greet locals with a smile.
Travel smart with Travul.org, your partner in seamless journey.
And don't forget to follow us at Travelism on all social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye.